English check. Learn, do, equals.
dělat,
Fast, funny verb practice. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll make the Czech verb for do.
dělat,
Your new superpower. Expect laughs, quick drills, and phrases you can use right after listening. Your goal today. You'll learn to say do in Czech in the forms you actually need, fast. Ready to sound clever at a Czech cafe? By the end, you'll confidently use
dělat,
to do, make.
dělá,
He does.
ona dělá,
She does.
to dělá,
It makes, does.
my děláme,
We do, and.
děláte,
You, plural, do. Forms you'll use. Repeat after me, nice and relaxed, like you're sipping coffee. Infinitive.
dělat,
To do, to make. He does.
dělá,
Imagine a tidy hero who actually does the dishes. She does.
ona dělá,
She does a quick workout and a victory grin. It makes, does.
to dělá,
Your coffee machine hums. Yes.
to dělá,
Ch.5. We do.
my děláme,
Team spirit. High five yourself, it counts. You, plural, do.
děláte,
Address the whole squad like a friendly coach. Mini dialogue at the kitchen sink. Let's drop these forms into a tiny scene, fun, fast, useful. A. What will you do first? B. I'll start with dishes, v cestine.
co budeš dnes dělat,
A. He does the coffee.
dělá,
Cavu Jacko Profik. B. She does the playlist.
ona dělá,
Nelepsi Viber. A. The blender?
to dělá,
HLUK, but it's worth it. B. Then we do the plan.
my děláme,
Seznam. And you all do the shopping.
děláte,
Nakup, Joe? Call and response drills. You speak, I cheer. Say the check out loud, own it. Say, to do, make.
dělat,
Say, he does.
dělá,
Say, she does.
ona dělá,
Say, it makes.
to dělá,
Say, we do.
my děláme,
Say, you, plural, do.
děláte,
Now chain them all in one breath.
dělat, dělá, ona dělá, to dělá, my děláme, děláte.
Boom. Culture tip. Tiny insight, big confidence boost. In Daily Czech, you'll hear versions of
dělat,
everywhere.
co budeš dělat o víkendu,
What will you do on the weekend, or DIY titles like Jack 2.
dělat,
Use.
to dělá,
For effects, a pinch of salt?
to dělá,
Zazraki. Lightning quiz. Quick fire, trust your first instinct. Q. English, do, make, infinitive, in Czech? A.
dělat,
Q. He does? A.
dělá,
Q. She does? A.
ona dělá,
Q. It makes? A.
to dělá,
Q. We do? A.
my děláme,
Q. You, plural, do? A.
děláte,
Fast practice lines. Repeat each line with swagger. Yes, language swagger is real. After dinner, we do homework. Po večeri.
my děláme,
Ukoli. She does the list, he does the coffee.
ona dělá,
Seznam, on.
Dělá.
Kavu. Your team does great work. Vás Tim.
Děláte.
Savlu prachi. Talking to you all. A tiny change makes a big difference. Mala zamina.
To dělá.
Velký rozdíl. I like to do projects on weekends. Rad.
Dělat.
Projekati o vikendu. Yes, the infinitive is your friend. Final challenge. One breath, one victory lap. Say them all. Say this chain smoothly.
Dělat. Dělá. Ona dělá. To dělá. My děláme. Děláte.
Now make your own sentence with two forms. For example, we do the plan, you, plural, do the shopping.
My děláme.
Plan.
Děláte.
Nakup. Your turn. Thanks and next steps. You crushed it today, nice work. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms in real conversations, and come back tomorrow to stack more Ch.5 verbs. For more lessons, printables, and fun drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Na zdraví to your progress, because starting small.
To dělá.
Velký rozdíl.